इसकी वर्दी शेर कदम, नाम है इसका दिल से कम। दूर चढ़ा दे डरे दुश्मन, नाम है इसका दिल से कम।
Whoa, little Shingam. That was an amazing entry. Know what I'm saying?
Inspector Kavya, everything seems normal here. But you told me you were in a big trouble.
Hang on a minute. Trouble doesn't always come in the form of nasty villains and monsters. Mr. Minister is on his way here to make an inspection of all the police file records. Now do you get it, hero?
One, two, three. All done. Inspector Kavya, observe and learn. The most boring jobs can also be fun when you add drama to it.
Hey, here comes Mr. Minister. Don't mind me saying, let's go.
Wow, little Singham. You saved my reputation once again. And now Mirchi Nagar and all its beloved citizens can relax at last. Now I will go boo, and the kids will go boo-hoo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The more the children cry, the more my deadly ball will get charged and get enlarged. And then I will finally have my mega deadly bomb that will destroy all of Mirchi Nagar.
Ajay, today we just have to beat Montu's team somehow.
Oh, of course. But where is this Montu now?
Hey guys, check out my brand new ball. Check out the design. Check out the shine. It spins like no other ball. Guaranteed to knock out player after player with each ball.
Hey Montu, can I have a ball like that too?
Me too.
Why not? All you have to do is join my team and defeat that Ajay and his team.
Hey, Montu, first start playing, then talk of winning, alright?
Can't wait to begin. As for you guys, get ready to go back to pavilion.
You can laugh as much as you like, because now I will go boo and you kids will go boo-hoo.
Bye-bye. Hey, go pick on someone else. Why me? Hey! Little Singham, bro!
Check out the fun, friends. When I throw a ball, no one will be able to catch it.
Here comes India's youngest super cop, Little Singham! Beware, bad guys, he's gonna get you!
Little Singham, my deadly ball is gonna roll you flat like pizza bread.
Hey, run!
Why don't I show you what real juggling is?
Hey, Little Singham, bro! Help me, please!
Joker. It's better if you surrender to the police.
Oh, really? Take that! Take that! And with that, Little Singham is clean bowled. That was just an appetizer. Now for the main course. Ah.
Friends, it's time for some Newton's chutney. Let's go.
Newton's chutney. The more children start yelling in fear of this ball, the more its energy meter will increase. And the more it will keep growing in size.
But what does he plan to do with all the children's fear energy, Professor?
Definitely something that will mean Mirchi Nagar gets destroyed. But I have something very special that will help you. The super bat is covered with a very special rubber reflector. As soon as the ball touches it, the ball will disappear.
Wow, way to go, Professor. Now we'll be hitting 4s and 6s and helicopter shots as well.
My real plan is my mega deadly bomb. All the jungly balls will get together to make the mega deadly bomb. What's this? Not yet fully charged. Nothing to worry about. I'll just scare the kids again.
How much for this potato? Okay. And how much tomato?
Hey, check this out, people. There is a Joker coming in Mirchi Nagar. Come on then, Mr. Joker. Show us something funny.
Wanna see something funny? Let's see you laugh at this.
Hold on tight.
I have had enough.
Help us! One skip, two skip.
Now isn't that funny? My mega bomb has started ticking, Little Singham. Are you ready for the fireworks?
An intruder in the lion's territory. I'll teach you a lesson right away. Ata Majhi Satakli.
Ata Majhi
Yay!
Oh no!
Punja attack!
Yeah! Little Sangam! I'll be back!
Here's what I say to bad clowns and their tricks. No matter how big the ball, Little Singham will always hit a six.
Wow, wow, wow! Your punchlines are deadlier than your punches!